Right, so bit of late night burning the 2-stroke oil. Got the new Blata Quad. Got Georgie Boy, the Yogurt Meister. Ryan, I'll fight any crab. Ashlinger and Bruce. Yeah, we've set up the GP course. Isle of Man. Yeah, man, I am recording it this time. I figured I might as well do a quick YouTube video on the beast. So I bought this off Gumtree for 100 quid. Needed a pull start and a basic clean-up. But apart from that, she's brand new, second-hand, ready to rock and roll. And she's lethal. It's got a live rear axle, so she's ready to can bloke it about the place. And then these things. Sorry? Yeah, I'll go and give it. Yeah, shall I go and get it? Yeah.
Did you? You nearly went on 2 wheels then, didn't you?
Did you see how hard I hit that?
No, I got it on camera.
Yeah, but have you seen a mark on it?
Yeah.
You'll be right.
Hang on, fucking God.
It's just understeers, you've got to go this way. You've got to go this way. What's up with it? No, it's fucked up on that, man. Go and get it! Oh, wide open. What's up with it? Ain't got no brakes?
You got no brakes?
Brakes are overrated.
Like a glove. I'll just snap the pull cord on that.
On your one, as we might have a spare bit somewhere. You alright? He's alright. He's back up and alive! Yeah, I think the clutch is fucked on that one. Yeah, boy! Go get it! Whoa! Was that a head on? One way round the bumper cars, please. So any peg? And you're like running your foot into the chain as well.
Yeah.
You're still struggling. Watch your chain guard start hanging out. Spin it round. Don't worry about it. Style it out, no one even noticed. As with all Chinese bikes, they always need some tinkering. I don't know if we've got another spare clutch kicking about. We'll have to.
Is one in yours?
Ash, if you don't mind, go and have a look upstairs and see if that other engine's got another clutch in it. Yeah, bring everything down, yeah, and we'll see if we can rob parts off it. I reckon it's going to be pad just falling off, or spring falling off. It's got the high compression race engine, overnight parts from Shanghai. Got the K&N, anodised red. It's got to be fast. Oh. They're spring snaps. Just wang it. That's hot. That's hot. Mate, it's well hot. Just wang another spring on it off of his other clutch. Ash,
This one here.
we're just going to pinch a spring off your clutch and then it should be good as gold. It's just a spring snapped.
We were asking, well, we were telling more than asking.
Yeah, we're going to rob a spring.
Yeah.
Has it got a clutch on it?
Yeah. Just need
I just need a spring. Leave that one up there if you want. Or you bring it down if you want, because we might need other bits later on.
Boy, jump off!
Well, where is the spring? Let's find the spring, don't we?
There's a bit there, and there was a bit there. That's that bit and that bit in there.
Okay.
We'll write this one in. She's brand new.
She's good as gold.
She's Terry Truffle.
Here's one of our vintage engines from back in the day, the first time round when we were playing with these things. Just got to He-Man it on.
Chill out, bro. You're like fucking Ed. 100 mile an hour.
That's the technique.
That's the one, mate.
Go on, ping it into the end of your fingernail.
You ain't gonna get that on there today, mate.
Is that the same size spring as the other? It looks smaller, or is it just cleaner?
I don't know, I don't care either. No, the other ones look fat.
Fatter, yeah. He's going to have one road pad, one Nemo pad flinging around.
She's gonna be flat out.
It's a two-stage clutch. It's like a top fueler drag car.
Yeah, it's like a VTEC. It's brilliant.
Just take that pad out.
Why don't you put it on, just do a pad delete?
It's got the metallic piss colour finish. The old golden nugget. Number 9 or number 6.
Yes, boy!
You on? Back in business. Just going to let the smog clear a bit and then we'll be round 2 for the Paris-Dakar 2-stroke challenge. This is the Gypsy 2-stroker. Got a custom tailplate where the old fairings got ripped off. And you can see how many wheelies she's been pulling by how bent up the exhaust is.
This is the Gypsy 2-stroker edition, mate.
Custom chain guard, laser cut.
50-50 deal.
Custom gold wheels, polished rims.
So if you sit on it, they go backwards. But if you don't sit on it, like that. Yeah, just don't go backwards.
She only ever wants to go forwards. This one's got the blue edition race engine, overnight parts from Shanghai.
Yeah.
If you're thinking about buying one of those engines, I wouldn't bother. They're no different to the standard ones.
It's straight 6. Twin turbo.
Remat.
Yeah. 4 Evo stage 2. 415 brake pressure.
Right, what are we saying? Are you back in business?
Almost.
Hang on. Screw. You should do a Lidl livery. Oh mate, you fucked that right.
No, I haven't, mate.
So He-Man it and then bend that back. Watch your fingers.
I'll tell you,
It's
mate.
about part of the aero. It's
Mate,
like, it's like a Formula 1.
Yeah, exactly.
You're dripping fuel out.
Yeah, don't worry about that.
Let's go get it. Do you want to give her a test ride? What's happening to your pull cord?
Oh, she's fast.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, no, she's ground.
Is the fuel on? Running like a champ. Yeah, round 2, I think. George!
No, back to your own. You ran out of fuel.
Right. Still trying to get the quad running.
Yeah, man.
She's fucked, mate.
We've she just won't run.
Oh, here they come, mate.
Mad Mackle retro, yeah.
Right, Mikey's got the quad running. The question is, who's going to come around the corner first? Hooray! Oh, he's limping it. Yeah, boy. And she broken again.
I'm going to take it back. No worries, mate. Appreciate it.
Chill out, bros.
We'll still be here.
So she ran for all of about 35 seconds.
I think, because we put the bigger jet in, I think it's just fouled the plug. I'm going to try and clean the plug out a bit.
Oh, I saw it coming, mate.
So that's pretty much it. Everyone's gone home. Just going to push this old thing away. It's going to need to have a quick strip down and a clean out because it's still not running right. But when it was running, she was flat out. Best 100 quid I think I've ever spent. Yeah, all you need is a little Blata Quad and a shiny concrete floor. And you can go get it. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Catch up with you guys next time. Don't forget to check out the shop for all the merchandise and hit like and subscribe. Take it easy.